Hello friends, welcome to Ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hello friends, and welcome back to Ledtvrepair. In today's video, we're repairing a 32-inch Panasonic LED TV with a picture freezing complaint. As you can see, the picture appears normal for a moment, then freezes repeatedly. This type of fault is commonly caused by an internal short circuit inside the LCD panel itself. In most LG and AUO LCD panels, a Levelshifter IC generates the gate signals for the display. Around this IC, you'll find two important test points known as Vgh odd and Vgh even. These tracks carry alternating Vgh and VGL gate voltages. When one track carries the Vgh voltage, the other carries the VGL voltage, and they continuously switch between each other during normal operation. When an internal short develops between these gate signal lines inside the panel, the switching becomes unstable, causing symptoms like picture freezing, flickering, double images, or unstable display output. This TV uses a 32-inch HD-ready LG panel, and in this model, the T-Con circuit is integrated into the main motherboard, so there is no separate T-Con board. To isolate the internal panel short, we'll perform a temporary repair. First, we'll locate the Vgh odd and Vgh even tracks on the panel's scalar board and carefully cut both tracks to disconnect the faulty section from the panel. After that, we'll bypass the Vgh voltage to the Vgh odd line using a thin jumper wire. Since the T-Con is built into the motherboard, we'll perform the entire modification directly on the panel scalar board without touching the motherboard. The tracks have now been cut successfully, and the Vgh voltage has been bypassed to the Vgh odd line. Let's power on the TV and check the result. As you can see, the picture is now completely stable. The freezing issue has disappeared, and there are no double images or display interruptions. The TV is working smoothly once again. Please remember that this is only a temporary workaround to bypass the internal panel fault. The only permanent repair is replacing the LCD panel. Since the defect still exists inside the panel, it is impossible to predict how long this repair will continue to work. It may last for months or even years, depending on the condition of the panel and usage. I hope you found this repair informative and helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to Ledtvrepair. Don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming TV repair videos. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video.